Hello, here's a little bit of prediction fun. What I'd like you to do is to put your cursor in the top right hand corner of these 9 classic album covers, i.e. put it over the Stranglers' Men in Black in the top right hand corner. Now, from there you will be able to move your cursor left and right and left, up and down and up, but you cannot move it diagonally. You can even go back to a cover that you've already been on. It doesn't matter as long as you have not moved diagonally. From your start position on the Stranglers' Men in Black, I want you to make one move now. Remember, you cannot move diagonally. Right, so you must now be either on Meat Loaf's Bat Out of Hell or Bob Marley and the Wailers live. Keep your cursor where it is. Okay. So from the position that you're in now, I want you to make another move each time I call out a number. Remember, left to right, up or down, but never diagonally. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I predict that you have not chosen Dark Side of the Moon by Pink Floyd. Right. Keep your cursor where it is, and here we go again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And I predict this time that you have not chosen Help by the Beatles. And off we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this time I predict that you haven't chosen Meat Loaf's Bat Out of Hell. And again, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time you haven't chosen the Rolling Stones' Sticky Fingers. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. And this time I predict you haven't chosen Bob Marley and the Wailers live. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3. And this time you haven't chosen Aladdin Sane by David Bowie. Last one. I just want you to make one move now. Do it now. And my prediction is that you are now on stage with The Exploited.